Hey guys, Skypocalypse here, and today we are going to go over the School of Restoration. Every possible spell that you can get. This is definitely not going to be fun to do. I thought that Illusion would be the hardest school to do, and I was wrong. Obviously, Restoration is going to be the hardest one to do. Because you have to deal with undead, and bandits are easier to... Like, you know what they're gonna do. Undead, you have no idea what they're gonna do, so... That's what it's gonna be like. Let go. I'm gonna go find a place where, I know there's gonna be a bunch of dead people. Let's go to... Let's go to Highgate Ruins, I guess. Okay guys, so here's a perfect place. I got 3 joggers in here. Looks like I got 1 Scourge and 1 Death Lord. So let's do this. We're just gonna grab the first restoration spell. And there you go. I gotta see how this goes. How am I not detected? Oh, they're all running except for that guy. What? Okay, I wonder what the next restoration spell is. Circle of Protection. Well, let's use it. Why not, right? And there he goes. I did not know the Circle of Protection did this. I guess this is kind of good for me, just as much as it's good for you guys, because I'm learning new stuff, right? All the healing spells. I'm just gonna do the best healing spell, I think. Closed wounds, fast healing, grand healing is probably the best healing spell. Yeah. Let go. I was up for a long time last night watching, Cry Reads. It is terrible. But they're still running. These guys are still running. I just want to get a chance to use this spell. Okay. Maybe I will. I need to take my health down further than this. That shows you how much that heals, and Greater Ward. This is the strongest ward, so with this I'm kind of going to skip over the rest of the wards, just because less time, yeah. As I hope you could see, I was taking absolutely no damage. I might have taken a little bit by those hand-to-hand weapons, but not by the spells. And next spell we have Guardian Circle. Okay, we got us a taker here. So, let's see what we got here. For this spell, we got Undead up to level 35 entering will flee, and the caster heals 20 health per second inside it. So if I'm a really low health and I cast this, I'll heal up pretty fast. Pretty awesome. Heal other. I'll do that once I get out of here. So hopefully I remember to come back and do heal other. Healing Hands, the same thing. We already covered healing. Already covered Lesser Ward because of the higher level spells we did. Poison Rune, next spell. Let's see. Okay, whoa. Poison Rune's pretty cool. They hit it and they get poisoned, but if it didn't work on these guys, it would say in the upper corner that they're too powerful for it, so I do know it's working. And the next spell we have, Repel Lesser Undead. We've technically covered that already. Technically covered that. Technically covered that with the higher master spells. Covered that. And covered that. Are we serious? We're only 6 minutes into the video and I only have one more spell to do. And that is Heal Other. So, maybe since we're kind of done, we'll run through this place on video. So yeah, let it go. Yeah, I'm not gonna worry about pushing through here, but since we are doing restoration, I think it would actually be a pretty cool idea to try and use magic to get through here. Whoa, that just opened by itself! I swear I did not open that. And there's the dead guy that I took care of a long time ago. This did pop open though, I think that was pretty odd. How do I get out of here? I can't remember. Let's see here. Because I know there is a way out. No. What's going on? Don't tell me that because I already didn't. Okay, you know what? You know what? This is why you carry a platter, guys. This is why you carry a platter. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my friend here. Oops. Let's try this again. It's not gonna work. That is so weird. It's like glitching out. Yep, it's not gonna work. Be right back. Okay guys, here we are. I took down his health a little bit. We're gonna use the final restoration spell that I have not covered yet.
You fight well, brother.
Seriously?
Skewer says that I have the strength of Ysgramor, and my brother has his smarts.
Bruh, it's not working. Who's this dude?
My favorite drinking buddy. Let's get some tea.
Well, I can still heal him even though they're not with my
Some
service
people don't
anymore.
think I'm smart. Those people get my fist. But you, I like. Getting tired of hanging around talking all day.
See that? So that's kind of how it works, I guess. Anyway, thanks for watching. I thought this was going to be like the hardest one, but this was actually... Honestly, this was kind of boring. So, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll make sure I'm trying to upload another video today. Make sure to pound that subscribe button and give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And also leave a big thumbs up if you think it was boring like I think it was boring. So yeah. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. And yeah, Skypocalypse out. Peace.